Mm. Mm. Every heart has a story, every soul has a dream. And then one day someone comes along and brings the sunshine. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Before you came into my life, my days were filled with cloudy skies, searching for a love so true, never knowing I would find you. Then your smile came shining true, like the morning sky so blue. Every moment you are near brings me art I love so clear. You bring laughter to my days, fill my world with endless praise. Like a flower in the spring, you make my heart begin to sing. Oh Jah, we thank you every day for sending love my way, a blessing so divine, a beautiful heart like mine. You bring sunshine to my feelings, make my heart believe in healing, like the sunrise on the sea. You bring happiness to me, you bring sunshine to my soul. When we're broken, you make me whole. Every day and every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, you are my sunshine. Walking with you by the shore, we feel a love me can't ignore. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, sweet harmony among the trees. Every word is softly said takes my worries far away. Every touch and every smile makes this journey worthwhile. Me don't need diamonds or gold, your love is more precious to hold. 'Cause the treasure me have found is the love that stays around. Through the rain, through the storm, your love keeps me warm. Through the night, through the day, you chase the clouds away. You bring sunshine to my feelings, make my heart believe in healing, like the sunrise on the sea. You bring happiness to me, you bring sunshine to my soul. When we're broken, you make me whole. Every day and every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen me now, some people search across the world for a love more beautiful than pearls, but me found my paradise when I looked into your eyes. Your love is like a tropical flower, growing stronger every hour. With every season that we face, you bring beauty, you bring grace. When the ocean waves are high and the clouds cover the sky, then no one thing will remain, your love will shine again. Feel the warmth, feel the breeze, love is dancing through the trees. No darkness, no fear, when your love is always near. Every sunrise reminds me why I thank Jah beneath the sky, for the blessing I receive, for the love that makes me believe. Hand in hand we walk this road, sharing every heavy load. Through the years and through the time, your heart will always stay with mine. Forever grateful, forever true, me found my happiness in you. And every feeling deep inside is brighter with you by my side. You bring sunshine to my feelings, make my heart believe in healing, like the sunrise on the sea. You bring happiness to me, you bring sunshine to my soul. You are my sunshine, my beautiful feeling, forever and always. Yeah. Some love feels like a moment, but your love feels like forever. Sometimes love is not just a word. Sometimes love is a feeling that lives deep within the heart. And every time I look at you, I feel it. From the first day you came around, me heart found a beautiful sound, like a melody playing soft and slow. A special love began to grow. Me never knew I could feel a love so honest, a love so real. Every smile and every touch shows me why me love you so much. Like the flowers bloom beneath the sun, me know me found my special one. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming true. Oh Jah, we give thanks today for sending this love my way. A blessing from above, a heart filled with love. The love I feel inside is a feeling I cannot hide. Like the ocean meets the shore, me keep loving you more and more. The love I feel inside grows stronger with every tide. Through every season, every year, me will always keep you near. Oh baby, this love is real. Walking with you under the moon, dancing to our favorite tune. Palm trees moving with the breeze. Love is floating through the trees. Every word you said to me brings a feeling so heavenly. When you hold me close at night, everything feels so right. We don't need riches or gold. Your love is the treasure I hold. Because a heart that loves sincere is the greatest gift right here. No distance, no time could ever change this heart of mine. Every beat, every breath calls your name again and again. The love I feel inside is a feeling I cannot hide. Like the ocean meets the shore, me keep loving you more and more. The love I feel inside grows stronger with every tide. Through every season, every year, me will always keep you near. Listen, I know some people search their whole life through for someone who feels like you, but Jah bless me with a love that came from heaven above. Your kindness and your gentle way bring happiness into my day. Every little thing you do makes me fall deeper for you. When the world feels cold and dark, you become my shining spark. Your love lights up my soul. Your heart makes me whole. Feel the rhythm, feel the flame. Love is calling my name. Through the waves, through the skies, I see forever. In your eyes, every sunrise forever true. My heart belongs to you. The love I feel inside is a feeling I cannot hide. Like the ocean meets the shore, we keep loving you more and more. The love I feel inside will forever be my guide through every season, every year. We promise I'll always keep you near. Forever, forever, this love inside my heart will always belong to you. Yeah. Some love can be seen, but the deepest love is the one you feel inside. Yeah. Listen to know every heartbeat, every breath. There is a rhythm that belongs to you. From the first moment my heart knew your name was written inside. Before you came into my life, me was searching for a love so right. Walking through the days alone, looking for a place called home. Then you came like ocean breeze, bringing peace and bringing ease. With your smile and gentle way, you bring sunshine to me day. Every time you look at me, me feel a love so deep and free. Like the waves that touch the sand, me found forever in your hand. Lord, me thank you for this love, a blessing from above. Every beat inside my chest tells me you are the best. My heart beats your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Like the ocean calling the shore, we keep loving you more and more. My heart beats your name. A love too beautiful to explain. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Oh baby, can you hear it? My heart beats your name. Walking with you by the sea feels like where we're meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the sky, love shining in your eyes. Every whisper, every smile makes me treasure every mile. Through the laughter, through the pain, me will choose you again and again. Me don't need a perfect world just to love my precious pearl. Cause the greatest gift me found is having you always around. Stay with me, hold me near. Your love is everything me want to hear. Through every storm, through every tide, I want you forever by my side. My heart beats your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Like the ocean calling the shore, me keep loving you more and more. My heart beats your name. A love too beautiful to explain. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Listen, me know some people look for diamonds bright, searching through the day and night, but me found a treasure true. When Jah bless me with you, your love is like a tropical flower, growing stronger every hour. Your kindness and your sweet embrace bring happiness into this place. When the moonlight fills the sky, we see forever in your eyes. And every star that shines above reminds me of how endless love lovers dancing through the trees. No distance, no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because you are my melody, my sweetest song, my destiny. Hey, every morning when I wake, another memory we make. Every sunset when it falls, I hear your love. When silence calls, years may pass and seasons change, but my feelings stay the same. Hand in hand we'll walk this way, loving more with every day. Forever faithful, ooh, forever true. My heart will always belong to you. My heart beats your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Like the ocean calling the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Oh, my heart beats your name. Forever burning like a flame, through every season, every year. The promise I'll always keep you near. Oh yeah, my heart, my soul, everything I am beats your name. Forever, yeah. Some songs are written by words, but some love songs are written by the heart, and mine will always beat your name. Your name. Yeah. Listen, you know, some things in life cannot be explained. Some feelings cannot be measured. The magic we feel only happens when I'm with you. From the first time you looked my way, I knew something changed that day. Like a rainbow after the rain, you brought colors back again. Your smile shine like morning sun, made me feel like we found the one. Every moment, every kiss feels like a dream I never want miss. You bring peace into my heart, even when we are apart. Every thought and every prayer reminds me of the love we share. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Something rare, something true. The magic me feel is because of you. The magic I feel with you makes every dream come true. Like the ocean and the sky, our love will never die. The magic I feel with you feels like a blessing brand new. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world bright. Oh baby, you are my miracle. Walking with you by the shore, me heart keeps asking for more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love floating through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my worries disappear. Your love feels like paradise, a precious gift beyond a price. Me don't need stars above, because me found mine, heaven in love. Every heartbeat tells me true. Me was meant to walk with you through the seasons, through the years. You will always dry my tears. No matter where life may go, this love will continue to grow. The magic I feel with you makes every dream come true. land, looking for a perfect hand. But Jah knew what me needed most, and sent my love from coast to coast. Not just beauty that me see, but the kindness inside thee. Your heart is where the treasure lies, a beautiful soul behind your eyes. Every laugh and every smile makes the journey worthwhile. With you beside me every day, we know love will find a way. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the flame. Love is calling our names. Through the moonlight, through the sea, you are the magic living inside of me. No darkness, no fear, when true love is near. Every morning when the sun rises, we see happiness in your eyes. Every evening when stars appear, we feel grateful that you are here. Hand in hand, we'll walk through time, your heart forever close to mine. Through every challenge we may face, love will always find its place. Forever loving, forever true. We found my magic. When we found you, the magic I feel with you likes every dream come true. Like the ocean and the sky, our love will never die. The magic I feel with you, forever shining bright and new. Through every season, every year, my promise I'll always keep you near. Forever, forever. The magic I feel with you, yeah. Some magic comes from the stars, but the greatest magic is the love we carry in our hearts. Listen, me know some love only touches the heart, but a special love reaches deeper, beyond words, beyond time, straight to the soul. Jah. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I would find you. Then you came like morning light, turning everything so bright. With your kindness and your care, we found something truly rare. Every smile you give to me feels like waves across the sea. Every word you softly say brings more peace into me day. You don't just love me from afar, you show me who you really are. A heart so gentle, pure and true. Me feel blessed because of you. Oh, Jah, me thank you for this gift, for the love that gives me life. Something deep, something real, a love my soul can feel. Your love touches my soul, makes my broken pieces whole. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away my pain. Your love touches my soul, more precious than diamonds or gold. Every heartbeat, every day, your love guides me on the way. Oh baby, me feel it deep inside, walking with you by the shore. Me keep falling more and more, palm trees dancing in the breeze. Love is singing through the trees. When you hold me close at night, everything feels warm and right, like a candle in the dark. Your love becomes my shining spark. Me don't need a perfect life without trouble, without strife. 'Cause with you beside me here, everything becomes more clear. Jah knew exactly what me need when he planted love like seed. Now it grows with every day in the most beautiful way. Stay with me, hold me on. Together we will always stand. Through the storm, through the rain, our love will never fade away. Your love touches my soul, makes my broken pieces whole. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away my pain. Your love touches my soul, more precious than diamonds or gold. Every heartbeat, every day, your love guides me on your way. Listen me now, some people search the world around for a love that can't be found, but me found a treasure true, hidden inside the heart of you. Your love is like a flower bloom, bringing fragrance to every room. Like the ocean meets the sand, we found peace inside your hand. No distance could ever change the feelings that remain the same. No season and no tide could take your love from my side. Every sunrise tells a story of a love filled with glory. Every star up in the sky knows this love will never die. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is growing through the trees. A love so deep, a love so strong. With you beside me, I belong. No words can explain, no song can describe the way your love touches my soul inside. Every morning when I wake, I thank Jah for the choice He made, for bringing you into my life, my blessing, my drive, my life. Years may pass and time may fly, still I look into your eyes and see the same love I knew from the moment I found you. Hand in hand we'll walk this road, sharing every heavy load. Forever faithful, forever true. My heart will always choose you. Your love touches my soul, makes my broken pieces whole. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away my pain. Your love touches my soul, forever my heart will know. Through every season, every year, we promise I'll always keep you near. Forever, forever, your love touches my soul. Yeah, some love touches the heart, but true love touches the soul. And my soul will always belong to you. Listen now. Before you came into my life, we was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I would find you. Then you came like morning light, turning everything so bright. With your kindness and your care, we found something truly rare. Every smile you give to me feels like waves me, dear. You don't just love me from afar, you show me who you really are. A heart so gentle, pure and true. Me feel blessed because of you. Oh, Jah, me thank you for this gift, for the love that gives me lift. Listen me now. Some moments feel like they were written by Jah. Some love feels like a dream you never want to wake from. And tonight, me lost in the feeling of us. Underneath the moonlight by the sea, you were standing right there with me. Ocean breeze was moving slow, and my heart began to know. From the first smile upon your face, me felt something I couldn't replace. Like a melody playing sweet and low, you became the place me want to go. Every little thing you do makes me heart run back to you. Every laugh and every kiss feels like a moment of pure bliss. Oh Jah, me thank you tonight for a love that feels so right. No worries, no fear, when your loving heart is near. Lost in the feeling of us, lost in a love I can trust. Like the stars shining above, we are surrounded by love. Lost in the feeling of us, where every moment feels enough. Through every wave and every tide, I want to right here by my side. Oh, baby, don't wake me from this dream. Walking barefoot on the sand, feeling your fingers in me hand. Palm trees dancing with the breeze. Love is floating through the trees. Your eyes tell stories of forever, a love that time could never sever. Every whisper, every sound makes me glad that you have found me. Don't need a perfect place, paradise is in your embrace. 'Cause wherever you are standing near, me heart knows it belongs right here. Stay with me, hold me close, you are the one me love the most. Every heartbeat, every sigh says our love will never die. Lost in the feeling of us, lost in a love I can trust. Like the stars shining above, we are surrounded by love. Lost in the feeling of us, where every moment feels enough. Through every wave and every tide, I want you right here by my side. Listen me now. Some people spend their whole life searching for a love that feels worth keeping, but me found something so rare, a heart that truly loves and cares. Like a flower beneath the sun, our beautiful journey has begun.